I have a bit of a treat. These are my friends, and they're going to help me do my first YouTube unboxing. My new guitar has arrived today, and so we're going to have a look at it. So go ahead and rip it open.
Let's start.
We'll go as quick as we can here. How you making out? Yeah, so it's near the top. Oh yeah, you got it. So we got this side. Here to here. Okay, yeah, and you want to just do the whole thing. Okay, good. Yeah, we got two working away at it here. Yeah. It gets a little messy, and then I'll.
Whoa.
Okay, here we go. And now you need to take this out. There's the handle. So just lift it up and we'll get rid of this. You guys are so weak. Okay. Step one. Step two, get this off. Here we go. Oh, it's upside down. Let's turn it the other way. It's like for the floor. Okay, just set it that way. One here, and two over there. Okay. Ding, 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 ding. Now you gotta take it out of here. You gotta lift this out. And then we'll get rid of the, ugh, what a mess styrofoam makes. I really hate styrofoam. Here she comes. Whoa, smells chemically. So red inside.
Yeah.
And here is my watermelon. Okay, you can just rip it. I don't keep it. The watermelon back. So there you have it. Oh, they made the B small instead of a big B. So it's but that's okay. Still my name. Well, that means free. They don't charge me for that. And my red interior. You get any candy? Yeah, I got a little candy. What do we got here? This is the Allen key. A very cheap and useless patch cord, and a very cheap and useless strap. But I've got extra stuff at home. So there's the candy. Not a lot of candy. And there you have it, folks. The unboxing of the brand new PRS. See you soon.